students and faculties, all are visually challenged. Accompanied by dedicated staff. Happy morning, dear friends. Welcome to Demystify with Ajay. Hey Ratiers, Dr. Ajantha. Dear friends. Have you ever experienced a moment that changes your perspective forever? A session I recently handled at INNOVISSION 2025. An intercollegiate tech expo for persons with visual impairment. Organized by Government Arts College Nandanam, Chennai. Did just that for me. It wasn't just another tech talk. It was a heartfelt interaction with those who truly need AI the most. INNOVISSION 2025. An intercollegiate tech expo brought together an inspiring group. Students and faculties, all are visually challenged. Accompanied by dedicated staff and NCC of Government Arts College Nandanam. I wish to thank Dr. Jyothi Venkateshwaran, Principal, Government Arts College, Nandanam, for taking this initiative. And Dr. Raghuraman, Assistant Professor, Government Arts College, Nandanam, who is a visually challenged person, well coordinated the event. Dear friends. As I stepped into the session, I felt an overwhelming responsibility. AI must truly serve them, not just as a concept, but as a life-changing reality. Throughout the session, I discussed from the scratch of AI to the future of AI for persons with visually challenged. How AI-powered assistive tech, smart devices, and real-time communication tools can empower them. Dear friends. But what struck me most? Their questions, their aspirations, and their trust in technology to make a difference. This wasn't just about teaching, it was about listening. Their needs, their struggles, their dreams. And that's when it hit me: my PhD research, which focuses on a real-time communication device for both visually and hearing impaired, needs to move beyond just research. It needs to become real. That session left me with a strong realization: innovation isn't just about technology, it's about people. And now, I'm more determined than ever to create something meaningful, something real, by the end of 2025. AI isn't just the future, it's the present for those who need it the most. And I want to be part of that transformation. AI must be designed not just with innovation, but with accessibility at its core. So, if you're passionate about AI for accessibility, let's connect. Let's innovate together. What are your thoughts on this collaboration? Drop your comments below. I'd love to hear from you to take on these game-changing ideas. Remember to like, subscribe, and share with fellow researchers and tech innovators. Thanks for watching. Happy learning.